start something new interesting stories. Subject English, Unit 1, Lesson number 2, Aesop Fables. So let's start.
You might be thinking, what does this word Aesop Fables means? For that, first we'll learn the paragraph and then I will explain you. Stories that have a moral or message for us. Something to learn and keep in mind as we grow up. Most of the fables have animal characters who think and act just like human beings. It is believed that many of the fables were first told by a wise person called Aesop. Aesop lived hundreds of years ago in a country called Greece. His stories became so popular that people passed them from one generation to generation. Many proverbs and sayings that we use today are based on these fables. Here are two well-known fables. So, we're going to see that. So, fables are short stories. Short means छोटा सा एक stories that have morals. Morals means जिससे हमें सीख मिलती है. And some message for us. From these fables that is stories, we get something to learn as we grow up. Most of the stories are animal characters which are just like human beings. जो एनिमल के ऊपर बेस्ड होता है वो स्टोरीज और वो कैसे रहते हैं जस्ट लाइक अस जस्ट लाइक ह्यूमन बींग्स. दिस फेबल्स वर टोल्ड बाय अ वाइज पर्सन एंड दे आर कॉल्ड एसोप. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एसोप. एसोप लिव्ड 100 of years ago in a country called Greece. These stories became very popular that people passed from one generation to other. So now we'll study and listen about two well-known fables. The first one is the stag at the pool. Stag means a male deer. One day a beautiful stag came to a pool of clear water. As he bent down to drink, he saw his own reflection in the water. He was delighted with what he saw. Instead of drinking water, he kept looking at his own reflection. How handsome I look, he said to himself. How beautiful are these curving antlers. How they add to my beauty. How graceful they look. Then he moved nearer and saw his legs reflected in the pool. He was quite disgusted. Look at my legs. Oh, they are so ugly, all spindly with small feet. How I wish that nature had given me legs worthy for my stately antlers. As he was brooding in this way, the stag heard an arrow going swish across the pool. At the same time, he picked up the scent of hunters. With a quick turn, he bounded away. His legs carried him swiftly into the forest. The hunters were hot on his trail, but they were no match for his speed. Soon the stag left the hunters far behind. Safe and out of the hunters' reach, the stag slowed down. Suddenly, without realizing it, he walked into a thicket. There were trees with strong branches growing close together, and alas, the same antlers of which he was so proud got caught in the thick growth. The stag tried to shake himself free, but the more he struggled, the more entangled his antlers got in the branches. Once again the stag could hear the hunters drawing close and grew afraid. At last, with great difficulty, he managed to free his antlers and bounded away. I realize now that my ugly feet saved my life. I was so proud of these handsome antlers, but they would have been the cause of my death. Very often, We dislike the very things that are most useful to us. Now, the explanation. One day, a beautiful stag came to drink water at the pool. Pool means पता है ना आप लोगों को? He bent to drink water as he saw his own reflection in the water. Reflection means जो परछाई होती है हमारी, वो उसने वहाँ पर देखा. He was happy after seeing his own reflection. तो फिर क्या हुआ? पानी पीने के बजाय वो अपना खुद का रिफ्लेक्शन परछाई देखते ही रह गया. उसने कहा, हाउ हैंडसम आई लुक, मीन्स कितना अच्छा दिखता हूँ मैं, कितना सुंदर है ये मेरा एंटलर्स. एंटलर्स मीन्स जो सींग होता है, मेल डियर का जो सींग होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं एंटलर्स. देन ही केम नियर टू द पूल. ही सॉ द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ हिज लेग. फिर आगे आया और उसने अपना पैर का रिफ्लेक्शन देखा. आफ्टर सीइंग हिज लेग्स ही गॉट क्वाइट इरिटेट. उसको थोड़ा सा चिढ़ मचने लगा. He said, look at my legs. उसने कहा, देखो मेरा लेग्स, कितना गंदा दिख रहा है, कितना गंदा है, अच्छा नहीं है ये लेग्स मेरा. They are so ugly. My feet is very long and thin. वो कितना पतला है मेरा फीट, और मेरा एंटलर्स इतना सुंदर क्यों है. ऐसा क्यों गॉड ने मेरे लेग्स को इतना अगली और मेरे एंटलर्स, मेरे सींग को इतना ब्यूटीफुल क्यों बनाया. एंड सैडली ही वॉज थिंकिंग. उसमें लिखा है ब्रूडिंग. ब्रूडिंग मीन्स एकदम सैड होकर थिंक करना. अबाउट इट सडनली, अचानक से ही हर्ड एन एरो गोइंग स्विश अक्रॉस द पूल. अचानक से एक एरो पूल के पास आकर गिरा. उस स्टैग को स्मेल आ गया कि ये हंटर्स ही होंगे शिकार करने के लिए. फिर वो देन ही क्विकली रन इनटू द फॉरेस्ट. बट द हंटर्स कैन नॉट मैच हिज स्पीड. वो डियर इतना तेज़ी से फॉरेस्ट की तरफ दौड़ा कि हंटर्स उसको पीछा नहीं कर पाए, पर भी हंटर्स उसको ढूंढते ही रहे. सून ही लेफ्ट द हंटर्स फार बिहाइंड. थोड़ी देर भागते भागते हंटर्स वो एकदम पीछे रह गए. आफ्टर दैट ही सॉ दैट ही इज़ वेरी सेफ फ्रॉम द हंटर्स. उसने देखा पीछे मुड़ के कि अभी कोई भी हंटर मेरे पीछे नहीं है. सडनली विदाउट रियलाइजिंग ही वॉक्ड इनटू अ थिकेट. Thicket means a large group of trees, bushes growing close together. Suddenly that same antlers which he was so proud got caught into that thicket. उसका जो सींग है वो ब्रांचेस में जाकर फंस गया. The stag was trying to free himself from that branches. पर वो जितना कोशिश कर रहा था उसका जो एंटलर्स है वो और ही उस ब्रांचेस में फंसता ही जा रहा था. अचानक से उसने सुना कि वो हंटर्स जो है वो उसके पास आ चुके हैं. एट लास्ट विद ग्रेट डिफ़िकल्टी ही मैनेज टू फ्री हिज antlers and he ran away into the forest. Now he realized that his ugly feet he saved his life, and which he was proud about. His handsome antlers would have been the cause of his death. वो उसके मरने का कारण बन जाते. The moral of the story is, which things we dislike that are most useful for us. What things which we are having, we should be happy in that only. Okay children,
As
you
students,
understood
I
these
taught you
small
the
stories,
the
these
stag
fables.
at the pool. In the next video, I'll be telling you the dog and the manger. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.